Kill all these black people. Guess who said that? It's not I, your DA. You see this guy who was trending. Remember that it was said that the guy he's not a racist and do you remember that the DA said told us that he's apologetic of his remarks on the videos that you saw. Well, let me tell you this. It turns out that there's now been an evidence. I've seen it. This evidence, I'm going to take the link, the article link rather that I'm reading. I will put it in the video description. So click on the link that I'm about to share. On that link, just go down. You will see a video. The video that you will see is different from the videos that were trending. Far different, a complete different video. Right here, he said it straightforward like this. He said, "This is what I have to say: kill all these black people." Straightforward. I was not convinced. I was not thoroughly convinced on the first videos that were trending, but on this one, I can tell you this guy is a racist of not. He does not belong to parliament. He must be removed by fire, by force. Well, I remember the statement that Jacob Zuma, when Jacob Zuma says, I say there is a rise of people who are educated, who speaks good English, and they forget what DA is. They think DA is their friend. He says, listen, DA is National Party, the party that subjected your parents into apartheid. But now it's a new version of the old party. It just changed the name and it brought the same agenda. And you thought Zuma was just being Zuma. Zuma was just being a politician. He told you the truth. You did not want to listen. You see, this evidence proves this clever blacks who thinks that DA can do anything better for us, for people in this country. Now, I hope now you see your DA for what it is. For the fact that DA, they are doing anything and everything within their power to protect the guy, it shows they agree with the sentiment. Then your president, who is married to an African lady, then tells you, and now I'm no longer surprised why President Ramaphosa doesn't comment on racism, because when he gets home, he would be reminded that you said these people are racist. What about me in this house? Because he's married to an Afrikaner wife. But we'll go deeper into this one, provided that you're interested. You know what? I also want us to go deeper here. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Credit to EIOL. I came across one of their article published 14 hours ago as of me reading this video. I cannot see the writer, so I can also give credit to the writer. I can't see the writer, but I do see that it was published then. Right. The article says, the heading of the article, you can even see. Look at the heading of the article yourself. Lest you think I'm joking, just look at the heading of the article, right? Look at the heading of the article and tell me what you see there, right? Look, read yourself. What you are reading there, it is exactly what you will now see. Do you see what I'm trying to say? Do you see what I'm saying? Be careful of your DA. Hey, be careful of your DA. You see those words? A shocking new video has emerged of Ronaldo House, a Democratic member of parliament appearing to spew hate speech graphic. Okay, a shocking new video has emerged. Okay, let's leave this one. In a video first published to his YouTube channel, House says, "All right, so there is a couple of things I want to say. Kill the fucking kafir. Kill all of the fucking niggas. That's all I've got fucking to say. Kill all the kafir. Kill." Oh, YouTube, they will flag this video if I said that. But let's let no. So as for a comment, Helen Zille said, I have contacted Ronaldo. He says he has no recollection of all making a video with such language. He says he says if one exists, he could be an AI generate artificial intelligence generated video. Went on to say that Ronaldo is denying flat out that he never made this video. I am sending it for testing. Remember, do you see these people? Do you see? I told you. You were warned never to vote DA. You did it because you are a clever black. They will bring change. Yeah. Nezo, abanye ben will regret. This video was retrieved from the Internet Archive, right? Which collected a snapshot of web pages from time to time for retrieval. Even though this content is deleted from YouTube, the video still exists in the archive. The video was published by Ronaldo House on the 11th of March 2010 under the title Kill All Black People before being deleted, but not before the content was archived. When contacted, House says made hundreds of videos over the years, will not even use those terms. I don't have actual context from who the source is, and how could I have manipulated the through audio or video AI. Whether this video was old, manipulated, use those words the same way my previous videos have been manipulated and audio switched to say things I've never said. I don't have full context, but as with the last couple of days, there has been clear smear campaign against me, and this seems to have reached a new height. Guys, I told you your DA. I told you, I warned you about your DA. And you thought me, listen to this guy. He says, just with the those words, they make me go mad. Yeah. Just with the previous videos. These people, there's a smear campaign to look. This man has never apologized for this, because he can't say, just like the others, there's a smear campaign to tarnish my name. He should have said, if he was sincerely apologizing, he should have said, if he apologized previous, he should have said, I acknowledge I made a mistake on the previous videos. I apologize on that one. But this one, I don't know. But just like he said, listen to this one. Just like the new one, just like the old video, it's a smear campaign against me. I'm telling you, this man has not repented. Hey, some idiot. Yeah, you chose to vote for this. It's the government of national unity has not even begun, and you began by racism at its full swing. And you're not gonna say anything because you clever blacks, you voted for them. Look, listen to this. It's so annoying. The fact that this man is not apologetic. He's not apologetic from for his first remarks. He's even said that it's a smear campaign. They are campaigning against me. Hey, man, it's like you mad at a person and then you say, no, it's these people who want to tarnish my name. Hatung. sorry, I made a mistake on the previous videos. But this one, I know nothing about it. Those should be the words of a person who's remorseful. This racist DA MP is not remorseful at all. There's no remorse here. Who warned you about these people? Because you speak as a certain English. You thought now why people are like you just because they laugh with you. Some of them have have good intentions, but not all of them. Some they are very friendly. Some they are very warm-hearted, but not all of them. One of them is this one. This one has got unrepented heart. Forget. One source analyzed Andrew Fraser said, this is highly likely that the video is deep fake or AI generated. Deepfake technology has been generally available for fewer than 5 years. This video first arose controversy in 2016, so unlikely that it was deepfake. The video is visible on Ho's YouTube channel, achieved on the Internet Archive way back. Machine was achieved in 2011. The archive is of the actual radio YouTube page, not a third party, so unlikely to have been placed there maliciously. The yar. I told you guys, we warned you about your DA. Yeah, guys. And a person with who's remorseful doesn't speak like this guy. I'm telling you, a person who's remorseful doesn't speak like this guy. EIOL, you guys continue to write what they wrote. Right. So, guys, I'm look at the article that I'm gonna link in the video description. As you go down, look, because I can't play this video, right? As you go down, this is what you will see. And look, I don't care whether this is fake or not. Just go down through the article and tell me what you see there. Listen to this video, right? I don't care whether the video was AI generated or not. It does not. I don't give a damn. Not even a swimming pool. But the words from this man worries me. This guy is not repented. Believe it or not, a repented individual and a remorseful DA. I told you about your DA. They look. I saw an article from SAPC. They said, Mr. House is remorseful for his actions. He's sorry for the things he said. That's what DA said. Now, I want you to tell me, based on what I've just shown you now, is this man sorry for what he said? Definitely not. A man who is remorseful for his actions wouldn't have said, just like the old video, there's a smear campaign. If you are remorseful, you will not make this your previous sentiment about politics, an issue of politics. It's like, if you have raped somebody, you can't make it like a smear campaign against you. The moment you say it's a political campaign, well, there's evidence, and then others are saying you are remorseful of that. The moment you swing it and say it's a smear campaign, it shows you have unrepented. This guy, I'm telling you, this guy must be arrested. For the same reason that he's not remorseful. He doesn't show signs of remorseful. A remorseful individual does not act the way this guy has acted. I've heard people saying, hi, the DA, this black, clever blacks, Jehovah. Yeah. Okay, please explain this to me. The DA is gonna bring change. Please explain this. DA, defend this person. Please explain this to me. Make it make sense. To me, it doesn't. Make it make sense. You, clever black, make it make sense. I get you voted for DA because DA is gonna bring change. Make it make sense for us. Because we're trying to make sense of what the DA is saying here. The good thing is, EFF said they've promised that they will take actions. And it was before this evidence. I am sure now that they will see this evidence, they will take even more actions, such that one must account before a criminal court.